going to transcribe. Now, when we record our audio and get the transcript, we can go to this button here if you check more options, and then we can click on this button called export, and now we can export our transcript and our audio. You can see the option for audio here in the format of an MP3. So we are going to get the transcript in the form of TXT or docs if you have the pro version, PDF if you have the pro version. So the other options is when you have the pro version, but TXT is still good for the free version because we can then copy the TXT into our document. So I click on export, and you can see I get a compressed folder which has the MP3 file, which is what we just recorded here. So let's go to record places period. You can see an MP3 file and a TXT note file. You can see this file here is everything that I just spoke about, and you can copy this. I click on copy. You can open a Word document here, and then you can paste, and you can see like I have a transcript of what I just said. Before we get back to the video, allow me to introduce my services to you. If you are a master's or PhD student doing your thesis or dissertation, you might need some help in learning how to perform qualitative data analysis with NVivo 14. So feel free to contact me through the contact details down below in the description. Thank you, and let's get back to the video. Otter AI gives you an option to edit your transcripts. So to edit your transcripts before you export, you can go to this button here called edit, and now you can go and listen to your conversation. And let's say we had a second speaker here. I can put an enter sign, and then Otter AI will be able to differentiate. If I put an enter sign, Otter AI will be able to label that. If this was a second speaker, it would be speaker 2. And then you can also rename the speakers. Like here you can see speaker name 1 is Bernard Mugo. I can tag that. And then speaker number 2 can be participant 1 or another name. So Otter AI is going to do all that. Again, if this statement was provided by another speaker, maybe the participant, you can tag that. So you can be able to 1, record your interviews, 2, to transcribe and tag the different speakers in a conversation or in your interviews, which is the interviewee and the interviewer. So you can tag that into, or you can tag that directly in Otter AI and make the corrections. And if Otter AI makes a mistake, you can go and listen to your audio and then proofread and edit your interviews. And then finally, as I showed you earlier, you can go and export both the MP3 and a TXT, and then you can have your files like this. So basically that's what Otter AI does. And then you can then copy the